Good evening, everyone. My name is Sandile Shange. And my business is real estate investing. And I'm interested in this business because there is a huge property boom around the Johannesburg city, around the CBD. According to the Heritage, there's 5 billion rand that is being invested in revamping the city. But my problem here is that not everyone can contribute or can be part of real estate investing because of their income gap. And that's where I come in. Basically, my company wants to do property stock fund. What happens is we're crowdfunding a real estate investing company, and they get a profit share of that after the property has been flipped or the rental income has come in. The reason why I wanted to do this is that many people know that every business operates around the property. Every money that comes from the land. So it's best to invest in the land. That's basically why I wanted to do this. But not everyone has the money to invest in it. So my target market is basically people who are earning less than 10 grand. Basically, I can go to an equity partner, go to them and ask for R1,000,000, and then they can be an equity partner in a business. I actually can just go to 500 people, ask them for 2,000 rand, and then they get a profit share per deal that I do, whether it's per flip or per rental property or per rental investment over time. That's basically what I want to do. And the second problem that I'm trying to solve is that many people invest in their houses, and for whatever reasons, after years of paying this house, they end up losing it. Maybe because of deceased, a deceased person that was providing for the family, or maybe because they just hate their wives after 15 years. Whatever the reasons may be, I capitalize on it. I come in, tell you that I can invest in your property versus you selling it after 90 days. I can do it within 14 or 17 days with my team because I come with a cash deal. You take that property, I give it to you, I buy it at a loan to value of about 60 to 85%, and then sell it for profit. And my property people who have invested with me get the property share per 1,000 rand or per 2,000 rand. And that's the aim of the property investing as a crowdfunding. If there's any questions now, I'd like to take them.